ギザギザや。What is going on, everyone? This is Phrynops Hilarii here. He's got really big now, so I'm just gonna change his enclosure today. As you can see in this tank, I think this tank seems a little small for him. Like he's been acting a little weird recently. Like this basking rope is also small for him. And also water depths, I think it's not deep enough for him because he's really good at swimming. You know. Also he needs a little spot for basking. Hey boy. I just put this tank really close to the, sorry guys, sorry about the shaky. You know, this window. I got some, you know, curtain here. Like when I open the window and this curtain, this tank got the UV light from the sun directly to here, so the, you know, his cells got a little moss on its shell. Anyway, I'm going to use a little, not a little, a kind of big tank for him. And this is what I'm gonna use for him. You know, this is kind of, you know, really big. This is kind of tall, and I can put the more like here. And I'm going to use this new basket rope. This one's also bigger than the previous one. Like I'm gonna do this one right here so that I can put water like here. Yeah, this is absolutely amazing. Now let's take him out of here. Wow. Compared with this bucket, it looks kind of big. Yeah, it's not really big. Now I'm going to flush all the water out of this tank. Now it's done. This tank I was using for him is almost like 12 inches tall right here. And let's take a look at the new one. Yeah, this tank is absolutely tall. It's like 17 inches tall right here. Yeah, I'm so excited to put so much water in the tank, and I can see my Phrynops hilarii swimming in the tank. Look at this comparison, guys. The new one is absolutely bigger than the previous one. I just can't wait to see my Phrynops hilarii is gonna have basking time on that rock. This is what I set up for my turtle, and I just put a little long rock to make a little height so that I can put, you know, more water for my turtle. Now let's put the water first. Look at this, everyone. I finished setting up my Phrynops Hilarii's new tank. It got a lot of water in the tank, and also I got a new basking area in the middle of its tank. Let's take a look at a little closer. Yeah, this is what I set up for my turtle. Looking good, isn't it? Do you think that I can tell you now how deep this new tank has? Tons of water here. This. Now let's put my Phrynops Hilariii into this tank. Yo, yo, yo! No, you're a big yo! Okay, let's put him inside. There you go, buddy! Yeah, how do you feel inside? Is it good for you? You feel good inside? Yeah, this is amazing. Now he looks calm down now. Wow, now it's... yeah, he's getting up on the rock. Are you getting basking now? I don't think so. Because it's night. Now it's night time. And look at this, he's swimming here. Yeah. Yeah, this is what I'm been thinking these days. Yeah, look at this depth. This would be, I think it's very nice for him. Yeah, how do you feel? What are you looking at? What are you doing? You're not gonna eat that rock. Yeah. Now I really love to see him swimming in this tank. Yep. This is all for today's video. Oh, now here. Go up on the rock again. Yeah, thank you guys for watching this video today. And I will probably keep updating the videos about this great turtle. See you guys next time. Bye bye.